Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. This is a continuation of my last video. I do not want my videos to be very long. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, this is Deva Priya and we talk about the law of assumption here. I believe Neville is God, but no, I am God of my reality. And Neville just teaches you to be the God of your reality and understand that your state of being, your consciousness is actually creating your life. This is a continuation of my previous video where I was talking about people who ask me like, how do you know the law works? How do you know the law works? How do you know the law works? How do you know that it doesn't work? What makes you feel it doesn't work? A bunch of your limiting beliefs? A bunch of your self-sabotaging thoughts? We all have them. We always had them. A bunch of social conditionings? A bunch of wrong parentings? A bunch of stuff which people made you believe about yourself? Does that make you believe that the law doesn't work? If that is so, then that is so. Even then the law is working, because if you choose to believe in something which you do not want to, and you want to kind of go ahead with your life because you do not want to do the work on yourself, you do not want to be confident and strong enough, then the law will follow you. The law will ensure that yes, you are not strong enough. The law will constantly give you experiences. The law will constantly bring experience to you which will actually confirm that you are not strong enough to manifest what you want. So don't ask me, how do you know the law works? How do you know the law works? I don't know. Okay, don't ask me how do you, I know the law works because I've reverse engineered my life and I have understood that a lot of things in my life have happened because I assumed things correctly sometimes or incorrectly. There's no right or wrong here. There's no right or wrong in manifestation. It is all about focus. Whatever you're focusing on is getting more energy. It's about adjusting your focus. There is no right way to do it or wrong way to do it. Wherever you're focusing, so if you're focusing on stuff which are self-limiting, if you're focusing on stuff which make you feel that you're not good enough, if you're focusing on stuff which makes you feel that you are not worthy of what you want, then so be it. The law will conform to you as well. Because if you do not believe in the law does not change because you do not believe in it. So if you're constantly asking, how do you know, how do you know, how do you know, have you experienced something, so have you. Don't ask me whether I have experienced something. Like, sorry guys if I sound angry, but I am really not very comfortable with understanding because I don't understand the concept of not being in power. Because we all have experiences in life where we have felt powerless. Even I have, everybody does. But I do not really understand that how can you constantly dwell on it. When you know that you can change the story, you can change the story if you kind of really try to make an effort to move from your self-limiting and self-sabotaging beliefs and thoughts and belief systems. You have to change it. So please change it. Do not ask me. Apply it. Explore it in your mind. Work on your mind. I mean, first understand what is in your mind, What is the diet? What is the mental diet? Because it's not just about the food that you eat, it's about whatever you're thinking. That's determining the course of your life. So please understand something. If I tell you that the law is real, why would you even believe it? You can believe that the law is real if you actually reverse engineer your life and you understand that these things worked because of this and these things might not have worked because of this. So can you change the story? Yes. Because right now, when you were actually doing it without being aware of the law, that is fine. But now you have chosen the law, you have chosen to consciously follow the law. So if you're choosing to consciously follow the law, you have to do a few things which will ensure that you are in a particular state of being for most part of your days. That is awareness, guys. That is awareness. That is being aware of your thoughts. You decide what you choose to focus on. What are you choosing to focus on? We all have our 3D triggers all the time. But the law is real. The law is real. It is real. Don't accept whatever I am saying. Don't accept whatever others are saying. And please do not say like, okay, I mean, it's not meant for everybody. Yes, it's not meant for you if you don't want to do the work. You have to do the work. I mean, my clients, most of them are very open and they're so, but if you are coming with me with a bunch of your limiting beliefs, then that's your problem. When you're coming to me for coaching, you have to understand that I am trying to help you. If you're paying me, I am trying to help you here. And this help will last you a lifetime if you can really gauge what I'm trying to tell you. And I will break it down to the basics, because I have learned from the basics, and I wasn't even aware of this law till a few years back. So if I can do it, because I am just like you, if everybody else who's actually doing it and making their lives a better space, making their lives more smoother and more comfortable, why can't you do it? Just because you believe that, okay, I mean, there is some God trying to punish you. No, nobody is trying to punish you, because you are God. There is no other God. Now, even if you believe there is some other God, that's okay, that's fine. But the point is, no external God is going to help you with something if you're not helping yourself. You can look at it that way. I'll break it down for you. So please do not ask me, is this working? Is this working? How do you know this works? How are you so sure that this works? Did you feel anything? Did you actually experience something? You are experiencing it as well every day. Every day. If you are not mindful of it, that's because you choose not to be mindful of it. You are experiencing triggers. Even I do. I did it today itself. I was upset. I was sad about something. But then, be still and know that you are God. Practice it, guys. Practice it. This requires practice. This is important. If this is important for you, you will practice it. If it's not important for you, you will not practice it. If you think like, okay, I mean, let life take its course, even then you have your assumptions, your self-limiting beliefs, and they will actually pan up in your life and make you actually, accumulate a lot more of self-limiting beliefs. Is that helping you? I guess not. If it's not, then do not follow it. Follow something which is helping you. Follow something which is helping you, no matter how bad you're feeling about your day, your life, your relationships, your money, no matter what. Focus on what you want. And get in touch with people who are aware of the law. Get in touch with people. And you can always email me, even if you cannot afford a coaching or something, or you do not want to spend on it. I understand. Some of you are students as well. I will help you out. But I can help you out with a few of the affirmations which I am completely sure will change your state of being. I will help you. But please do not ask me questions like, how do you know it works? It works because it works. It's the law of nature. Whatever you're assuming is panning up in your life. It's as simple as that. So are you aware of what you're assuming? Are you aware of your thoughts? Are you aware of what you're putting your focus on? There is nothing right or wrong about this. It's just about adjusting your focus. You just need to shift your focus and things will actually shift. You just have to hold that state. I know it's difficult, but that takes practice. Even I am practicing. Everybody who's following the law is practicing. You need to practice it. If you want to leave it up to some higher power who's trying to torture you, then trust me, the law of assumption is going to say, okay, so be it. Right? Sorry if I sound harsh, but this is kind of tough love, okay? This is tough love. If you have to do something, then please get up and do it. Just get up and do it. I mean, do it as in, yeah. Okay? Do not ask me whether this law works. I don't know. Look it up. Practice it. Apply it. Explore it. You'll know that it works. The only problem being that not everybody is ready to do the work, and that is nobody else's problem. If you're ready to do the work, you can get in touch with me. If you're ready to do the work and you're open enough to understand what the person is trying to tell you, then get in touch with me or get in touch with anybody else. Because I am helping myself and I'm here to help you. I know the power. I know where the power lies. That is the only thing that I know, and that is the only thing that drew me to Neville. I know where the power lies. This is an absolute rant video, but if you know what I'm talking about, if you have the faintest idea of what I'm talking about, you'll get the drift. And if you get the drift, it's done. The law exists even if you do not accept it. So decide what you want to focus on. And try and stick to it as much as possible. Decide what you want to focus on, your self-limiting beliefs or something that you really want in your life. Thank you. Bye.